Sedia, maka kami akan mengatur alur penurunan tamu yang hendak turun dari pesawat. Kami akan mempersilahkan tamu kelas bisnis untuk turun terlebih dahulu, dilanjutkan dengan tamu kelas ekonomi. Kami juga menghimbau kepada seluruh tamu Batikar untuk tidak mengambil bagasi terlebih dahulu pada tempat bagasi di atas, hingga tiba sesuai dengan alur yang telah kami tentukan. Atas nama Batikar, Kapten Yudhistira Satyajaya dan seluruh awak pesawat yang bertugas mengucapkan selamat berpisah dan kami harap dapat bertemu kembali dalam penerbangan Batikar yang akan datang. Terima kasih. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Changi the International Airport of Singapore. Please remember this, still the seatbelt sign is switched off and the aircraft is come to a complete stop. For your safety, please be careful when opening the luggage bag. Please note, before leaving the aircraft, please take all your personal belongings in the seat and seat pocket so that nothing is left behind. We need to inform you, as a form of health protocol implementation, after the aircraft door is open and the aerogauge or spare are available, we will arrange the flow of passenger disembarkation. We will invite business class passengers to disembark first, then continue with economy class. We also urge all Batik Air passengers not to take luggage in the luggage bin above you until the time arrives in accordance with the plan that we have arranged, and please keep the stand from other passengers when disembark. On behalf of Batik Air, Kapten Yudhistira Satyajaya, it is time to remember, would like to say thank you for flying with us today. We look forward to seeing you on Batik Air.